transparent amide glue. It's a product developed for ceramic tile. Surface leakage without smashing ceramic tile. Crystal clear colored, brush without marks. Super strong viscosity. Repair broken tiles to achieve waterproof effect. Waterproof test. Brush with a colander. After drying, it is impermeable to water. Superior water resistance. Ordinary waterproof glue dissolves in water and turns white easily. Quenzyme is soluble in water, high transparency, and change white. When resistance test of electric drill brush, ordinary waterproof glue collapses at the first blow. Quenzyme, transparent amide glue, strong, near resistant, long life. It has better anti-slip performance.